Not looking to make sneakers and T-shirts, and we want to make military equipment. We want to make big things.
The US President Donald Trump is once again making headlines, and this time with a bold message that says we want to make tanks and not t-shirts.
We're not looking to make sneakers and T-shirts, and we want to make military equipment. We want to make big things. We want to do the AI thing with the computers and the many elements. But the textile, I'm not looking to make T-shirts, to be honest. I'm not looking to make socks. We can do that very well at other locations.
So what does this mean? Trump is pushing for a shift in what the US is manufacturing and how it trades with the other countries. His goal is to bring more high-tech defense-related manufacturing back to the US, rather than relying on other countries for things like computers, artificial intelligence tools, or military gear. To do that, Trump is proposing new tariffs, which are taxes on imported goods. So here is a quick breakdown. A 50% tax on goods from the European Union, a 25% tax on imported iPhones, and possibly more tariffs on products which are made overseas. Now, Trump says that these taxes will help US factories by making foreign goods more expensive, so American-made products become more competitive. But not everyone agrees with this approach. Groups like American Apparel and Footwear Association are warning that these tariffs could lead to higher prices on everyday items, especially clothing and electronics. And they say that this could hurt regular consumers, particularly lower income families. The textile industry, the people who make clothes and shoes in the US, are also worried. They say that Trump's comments about not needing to make t-shirts and sneakers anymore could lead to job losses in their sector. Still, Trump says that the focus needs to be on big things like tanks, defense systems, and tech, not cheaper goods. He's also giving European Union until July 9 to work out on a trade deal before those new taxes take effect. So why is all of this happening right now? With the Trump tariffs, we have seen that US President is trying to put focus on manufacturing in the US rather than importing goods and services from outside. So in short, Trump wants less focus on making clothes and gadgets and more on building powerful high-tech industries. Whether this plan will help or hurt US workers and consumers, only time will tell.